Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath986.
FamilyMath986. So today we are going to explore an idea that Stephen Storgett shared last week. And it comes from his book called Infinite Powers, which I think you and I did a project out of. But you do not know a lot about calculus. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
Do you even know what calculus is about? What some of the problems in calculus are?
Not really.
Not really? No? Okay, well. Today what we're going to do is we're going to study the function y equals x to the n, where n equals 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And we might just do 0, 1, and 2, just depending on how it goes. What is y equals x to the 0? What does that look like if I were to draw that? And we're going to specifically study it just between x equals 0 and x equals 1.
Well, if n was 0, this would just, because anything to the power of 0 is 1.
Okay.
So this would just say y equals 1.
Alright, so how could we draw that?
So this is represented by that line just between here.
Yeah, 0 and 1.
So just a line at y equals 1.
Okay, cool. And the question we're going to be asking is what is the area between that function and the x-axis from 0 to 1. And so when n equals 0,
and that would be 1.
Oops, I'm thinking my chart backwards. N equals 0, area says 1. What about when n equals 1?
So
what does the function look like here?
It's y equals x. So at 0, 0, where y equals x, and you could go up to 1, 1, where y equals x.
Okay.
And draw this line.
Alright.
And the area under this side is 1 and this side is 1. It would be a half.
Okay, how do you know that?
Well, this is just a right triangle. So this is the base and this is the height. But also, since our previous line was up here, and this is half of that because you're going straight through the middle.
Okay. Alright,
so
cool.
This would be a half.
Yeah, so when n equals 1, the area is a half. What happens when n equals 2? What kind of shape do we have here that we're looking at?
It's sort of a parabola. So, I guess, so you have y equals x squared, so you still have these 2 points, but I think it would be more curved. Right. So when x is a half, you'd get a fourth. So that'd be here. Just approximate it. When x is 3/4, you get 9/16, which is a little bit above a half. So like here, and then when it's 1/4, you get 1/16, which is all the way down here. So you get sort of this shape.
Okay. Now the area calculation is a little more advanced. Do you have anything that you think you could say about the area here?
It's definitely less than a half.
Okay, that's a good thing to be able to say. How do you know that?
Because the previous line we drew included these points, but the line was like this. And so there's obviously, this area is not in here.
Okay. Yeah, good. That's great. Great thinking. So we're gonna try to study the area here.
Okay.
For n equals 2. All right. Let's draw that with the bigger picture now.